Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. So in today's video, we're going to be making something lovely and I know that you cannot wait to try it out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be making something really nice with this ingredient here. I have some onions, bell peppers, and garlic, and some fresh tomato. I'm actually doing a meal prep, so I'm going to show you two different recipes that I really love. We're going to be making cabbage sauce and some quick fried rice as well. So for this, we need some cabbage, vegetables, onions, and the chicken breast. I've cut the chicken breast into chunks, just as you can see, and I'm going to season this first. I'll be using my minced garlic. This is prepped already. All you need to do is just blend your garlic and keep it in the refrigerator. Whenever you want to use it, you can use that. I'm also going to be adding my green marinade. The recipe for the green marinade is also on my channel, so do well to check that out. At this point, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. All you need to do is just add your favorite spices. I use some chili flakes, some turmeric, parsley, and paprika. Add that to your chicken breast, and we are going to also add some seasoning powder and little salt, and I'm just going to mix this up together. It's important that all your seasonings get into the chicken breast because that is like the base of our cabbage sauce. So now that our chicken breast is ready, we're going to keep this aside and I'm going to blend or roughly blend our bell peppers. So the idea is not to blend it totally. I'm using the Bosch multi-talent 8 food processor. In my previous video, I talked about this food processor and it's really nice. So this is the texture that we want for this recipe, just roughly blended, just like this. And my recipe books are still available. So if you're just seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe because here it's all fun and healthy recipes. In the pan, you're going to add a little bit of oil and we are going to slightly cook the chicken or steam the chicken a bit. So I'm just going to spread this around and make sure that it cooks very well. Okay, so you're going to cover this and allow this to cook for some time. Open it up and turn it over. So whatever protein that you're using, maybe you want to use fish, maybe you want to use turkey, please use it. It's actually very okay. You can use any protein of choice. At this point, please, this is a reminder to always live healthy. Eating healthy is not difficult at all. You need to do is make little steps every day, and meal prepping is actually a very good way for you to start living healthy. So take out the chicken because we just want it slightly cooked. Do not forget, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's off on here. You're going to love it. Okay. So once we're done with that, we're going to take out that stock, add a little bit of oil, onions, some minced garlic, stir that up together and allow that to saute for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to add in the crushed bell peppers. This cabbage sauce is so lovely. This is actually one of my go-to meal prep ideas, and it's really affordable because all you need are just your favorite vegetables. And I didn't even use up to like, a full bell pepper for each color. All you need to do is just make this. This is so good. Now add your seasonings. I used just a little bit of turmeric, add some tomato paste, stir that up together and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, this is what we have. It's really looking good and it's well cooked now. And if you want to add any other spice at this point, you can do that. But at this point, we're going to put in that chicken. Okay, so pour in your chicken, your turkey, your fish, whatever it is, and we're going to stir this up together. It's important that the flavor of the bell peppers and the tomato goes into the chicken. So that's why we actually like slightly cook the chicken at first. And after that, we're just going to cover the pot and allow this to saute for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like. You can even have this just like this. It's really nice. And now we're going to add our cabbage. So this is the star ingredient for this particular recipe. This cabbage sauce is one of the best recipes that I have created, and I always recommend this for people who want to maintain their weight, you want to lose weight, you just want to eat healthy. You can have this with anything. You can have it with rice, with pasta, with potatoes, with beans, whatever it is. So we're going to stir this, and that's what it looks like. Because it's a vegetable, you're not to allow this to overcook. Okay, so stir that together, and our cabbage sauce is ready. It's looking so beautiful. I'm just going to dish this into a plate because I'm going to allow it cool down before I add this to my meal prepping plates. So what I do is I keep like different portions of this in the refrigerator, and every week or every day in the week I can just bring it out and have it with something. So you actually have your prepped cabbage sauce ready to go. You do not need to overcomplicate things. Trust me, meal prepping is very, very easy. The issue is we overcomplicate issues. Oh no, overcomplicate things. So once you have this, this is the first recipe, and it's really cool. It's nice. It's looking so good. This was so tasty. Like, you need to try this out. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. This is looking good. You can make this for your friends. It's not every time you want to have the regular stew. You can just have something different. Now to the next recipe. We have fried rice, and this is very simple. I have like a fried rice video on this channel, but this was meal prepped, and I just wanted to show you guys how I make my fried rice sharp sharp in less than 10 minutes. So add your onions, your spices, turmeric, parsley, some nutmeg powder, and of course some paprika into that. And I'm also going to be adding some dark soy sauce just to give this a little bit of color. So this meal prep idea is something that can take you throughout the week. Add your bell peppers. I have yellow, green, and red bell peppers here. Set it up together. The idea of having a very good fried rice is making sure that your vegetable base is perfect. It has to be perfect. It shouldn't be so soft, and it should be so hard at the same time. Okay, so add some seasoning powder, and now I'm going to add my carrots. So basically, we're just adding our vegetables. And for this meal prep, I've meal prepped my rice because I cooked it with some meat stock. So that is another meal prep idea for you guys. So parboiling your rice with meat stock is a game changer for your fried rice. I also added some green peas, and look at how that is. Like, this is looking so good. So in a week, you actually have two different meals. Okay, so I'm giving you guys like this idea of making meals in just a short period of time. I made these two meals in less than an hour. Okay, so just to show you. Now add your rice. You can notice that the rice is already parboiled. I parboiled this with some meat stock, and the water you're going to add into this will not be much at all. In fact, just very little warm water, and your fried rice is ready. Stir that up together, and it is looking so beautiful. You can have this during the week. One thing that I will always say when it comes to meal prepping meals is doing what you can do and using what you have, like the available ingredients that are for you. So add a little bit of warm water, cover this, and allow this to simmer for some time. And this is what you get. I added some chili pepper because why not? So yeah, our fried rice is ready. Two meals in less than an hour. I made this, and I have something to take me, in the week. It doesn't have to be boring. You can actually make your meals and be happy about this. Just take a look at this fried rice, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course share to your friends and family. And I'll see you in my next video. So I want you to watch out for that. I love you guys. Bye bye.